SJ here from MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, and today we have a 2011 Chaparral Sunesta 284. This 28.5-foot long boat is 9 feet wide, has a dry weight of about 6,400 pounds, and this boat has 500 engine hours on it. It's powered by the Volvo Penta 8.1 liter stern drive motor, has dual propellers on the back for a great hole shot. Here in the back there is a rear lounger. This is electric powered, so we have it laying down right now. When you come to the helm, you just press this button and it'll retract. So no moving cushions around. You have a really easy to use, comfortable seating arrangement, whether you want to do a full sunbed in the back to play off the spacious platform or a back-to-back seating for facing the cockpit or facing the action on the back. There's a galley sink here. Space to prepare food. Underneath we have a trash bin that you can access from the door on top. There's a beautiful arch here keeping you guys shaded all summer long. Blue canvas on top, and then there's a blue canvas boat cover that comes with this boat as well. As you can see, there's a big wraparound windshield here, and then there is a bow door too. So when you close that, you get a nice shielded environment here in the cockpit. You'll notice that we have the Clarion audio system here. You can use the USB plug-in for your phone, otherwise that is a radio as well. This boat was built for entertainment. We have side-by-side captain chairs keeping you social, whether you're driving or watching on the sidelines. We also have a private head compartment here. That's a pump-out head. You have your porthole, a sink, and lots of storage space underneath. We have 2 in-floor ski lockers, one in the cockpit, another one in the bow, and this one you can use like a molded in cooler. It is self-bailing and it's got all the fiberglass all the way around, so fill that up with ice, put your drinks inside, and then it'll just drain itself. There are blue LED cockpit lights throughout the boat here, and we also have a power seat in the bow, so you just flip that switch and this becomes wider, giving you some more space here in the bow to just stretch your legs out and relax. This boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa. There's a lot more to see on board. We can't wait to show you and your family and take you out for a test drive. Come visit us in Nisswa on Highway 371 or visit us online at marinemax.com.